Okay, hi guys. So, welcome back to another video here with our Yessi imperfections. My name is Yesenia. So, I thought about doing another cooking video for you guys. This is a simple recipe again with chicken. I prefer eating chicken. So go watch my Get Ready With Me live update on my health and relationship. I will be putting the link or the iCard somewhere above here so you guys can go watch it. But I mentioned how, my liver, supposedly the test I got done, my liver is not doing so well. So I am freaked out. It seems like whenever you are suffering through whatever health issue, that's when you want to make a change. And it's very important that you make a change even before whatever sickness comes to you. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can add, like always, you can add your little tweaks to it. You can add stuff, you can substitute stuff. So yeah, um, don't forget to go subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, come be part of this beautiful butterfly family. So let's begin. Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking video. So I wasn't sure what I was going to make this day, but I decided to make the chicken breast that I had in the oven. And this is what the stuff that you guys will need. But I had two chicken breasts left. The other one wasn't chicken breast, but I started cutting them up, and I'm heating up the oven here. I did three well, I put 350, but then I believed I moved it to like 360, about that. So here I started cutting the chicken breast, and I cut them in half, and then I cut them again, like in thinner, to make them thinner, so like that they will cook better and they weren't as thick. So you can cut them however you guys want, make them into like strips, like fajita type of style, or however you guys usually do your chicken breast. So what I used for seasoning, I used some lemon pepper, and then I used some garlic powder. And the next one that I am using, it's like some onion powder, just because I don't really like the onion one, so I prefer powder. And then just a tiny bit of salt to give it some more flavor, and I added a little bit more lemon pepper because some pieces didn't have enough, so then I just mix everything up. So I grabbed this glass pan dishware thing, and I used some canola oil, and then I just rub it all around to distribute the oil. And then I just started to put the chicken breast pieces in the pan as so. Now, I originally had put on the timer about 20 minutes to leave them in the oven, but I did cook them for about, I would say I probably cooked it for about 40 minutes. And I put foil, but I felt like it wasn't cooking as I wanted it to, so I ended up taking the foil off. So here you guys can see it's starting to cook, and it was so yummy, guys. It wasn't like dry as like chicken breasts are. So here I'm about to make the veggies, and I was going to do them in the pan on the stove, but I thought about maybe doing them in the oven. So here I have a zucchini and I washed it, and then I just cut thin layers or pieces, I mean. I really like zucchini. I did like about half of it, but then later on that day after I ate, I put the rest so my mom could eat some, because I did put some to take the next day to my therapy. So I added just a tiny bit of oil, so they don't burn and stick in the pan. So I used the zucchini, and then I used the veggie bag mix that my mom had, and it just had like broccoli, it had carrots or something like that. It had like a mix of veggies. I'm not really quite sure what it was, everything. But yeah, I just put it in the pan, and I added a little bit of pepper into it just to give it some flavor. Can't remember if I think I also added a tiny bit of garlic powder just to give the veggies some flavor. So here I am putting it in the oven, and you guys will see here in a bit. I put it on for about 10 minutes, just so they weren't like super cooked. I didn't want them to be super cooked. I just want them to kind of be like, when you steam your veggies, but like they're not super cooked, but they're not as raw. So here's the finish look. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this really easy dinner or lunch meal that you could make. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.